Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the background color on your Squarespace website. So basically for this, you want to sign in on Squarespace, go to your website, and then you can click on edit over here. But before that, you can also click on design and then on colors. So let me just show you design right there. Then colors, and then you can change the color scheme on your website. So click on edit, and you can then change that right from color. For example, you can then choose black, and you'll see that it will change, but it doesn't change everything, right? So let's just make this green to make it stand out more so that we can see what actually changes, because right there this changes, but then this over here doesn't, right? So basically how that works is that you can click on edit, you can then scroll down, you can then choose a section, you can then click on the pen/edit icon, click on colors, and then right there you can then change the background based on your color palette. So first of all, you need to change that like I just showed you. Let me just unsave this. So first of all, step number one is changing the theme or the colors over here. Then you can go into the actual website and then click on edit, where you can then change the background color just like that. So yeah, these colors that show up over here are based on your color palette on your entire website. So that's how you can change that. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and then I'll see you next time.